What's the meaning of blockbusting? Blockbusting. Blockbusting.
Blockbusting. Blockbusting. Blockbusting is a term that refers to the practice of scaring homeowners into selling their properties by claiming that an influx of people from a different race or ethnic group will lower property values. In essence, it is a predatory tactic used by real estate agents to profit from racial or ethnic division. The agent may use fear tactics to convince homeowners that their property value will decline and that they should sell before it's too late. This unethical practice was common in the United States during the 20th century, particularly in urban areas undergoing demographic changes. Blockbusting contributed to racial segregation and discrimination in housing, and it was outlawed by the Fair Housing Act in 1968.